Hey guys, what's going on? Just here to tell you a little bit about a really awesome beauty product that I recently purchased. They are Alamar Ojitos Trio Brush Set, spelled Ojitos, so I really hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. So a little bit about the brand info. We designed this trio to perfectly complement our Reina Del Caribe palette. Made with 100% synthetic fibers, our brushes are extremely soft, durable, and essential. Named after our founder's abuela, which is grandma in Spanish, the fabulous señora Olga Herminia Ojito. Ojito is Spanish for eye. Interesting. So we knew we had to name this brush set the Ojitos Brush Trio in honor of the original jefa. Our flat painter brush applies the foiled metallic shades effortlessly onto the lid. So these are really great. I've been using them for eyeshadow. I really like how soft the brushes are. I'm going to open this up and show you guys. The package dimensions that these come in are 6 by 4.6 by 0.4 inches. The item weight is 0.64 ounces, and that is the shipping weight as well. So I think that these products are really great. I just love that they give you all different, like 3 different shapes. Like this I use like if I'm going to use the same eyeshadow on my lid as well as like underneath my eyebrow. These are great for the way I do my, oh I love this one, this is so soft. This one I'll use like on my eyelid and then I'll use it underneath my eye too. That's what I kind of do. The way that I do my eyeshadow every day, I always switch up the colors, but I'll put I'll put the same color on my eyelid as I'm going to put a little bit underneath the eye. So these two are perfect for that. And then this is good to just put on your, if you're going to put the same color on your eyelid as well as like right underneath your eyebrow. Good for blending as well. And I just love that. I love the color of them, super soft. I love that they're green, very pretty, very vibrant, durable, easy to use, and just overall really great product. So like the product description said, these are made with 100% synthetic fibers. They are extremely soft, essential, and durable for your brush collection. The flat painter brush effortlessly applies color onto your lids. That would be this one. This is the flat painter brush. While the fluffy blender brush can be used to seamlessly blend colors together, like I was saying before. And then the flat tight liner brush is perfect for direct color application on your lash lines. I like my eyeshadow, so I'll use these for my eyeshadow, and then I'll use like a little bit of a liquid eyeliner, and then I'll do mascara after that. So I think that the order you do them in, of course, is really important. These are really nice brushes. They are washed and cleaned easily as well, and I truly believe you can never have too many makeup brushes because they're all different material, shapes, sizes, and it's always good to have different ones. Like you might like this, I think is perfect, like for applying underneath my eyelids. I know sometimes it's hard to find a good brush for that, and they're just so useful for so many things. I love that I could blend with this. Sometimes I'll even do like 3 different color eyeshadows. I'll do one color on my eyelids, and then I'll do one color in the crease, and then I'll do like a lighter color on the top underneath my eyebrow. So I feel like I'm constantly switching it up, and I think it's always nice to have options. Alamar also makes some really beautiful, I'm sure they have other products too, but I've also tried their eyeshadow palettes before, and they are absolutely beautiful and come with such gorgeous pigmented colors that are just kind of like unreal almost. And the palettes are always really pretty, and it really makes you get excited about doing your makeup. So I just feel like these products, the Alamar products, brushes are beautiful and really easy to use and perfect to have in any beauty collection. So I definitely recommend them, and they are also very affordable as well. So they're products you could kind of feel good about having, and definitely a good investment to have in your collection. And then you could probably just use I know a lot of my friends don't use makeup, like you can use a brush cleaner that you could specifically purchase like just to clean brushes, but I think a soapy hot water should work too. I know that's what a lot of my friends do. I kind of switch it up. Like sometimes I'll use the soap with the hot water, and sometimes I'll use a specifically formulated makeup remover for brushes. So it's really up to you what you want to do, but just be careful and gentle with them, of course. So that's Alamar, the trio set for your eyes. I hope you guys try out the brushes. I hope you love them, and I can't wait to see if you guys like them and how you like how soft they are and how they work and how durable they are. Thank you so much for watching, everybody.